We're approaching hour 23 of Sonic and Knuckles' Stay Awake Challenge, and it's still anybody's game. Sticks, what do you make of their strategy so far?
It appears Sonic is jogging in circles to stay awake, while Knuckles keeps his focus by watching late-night TV. Both strong approaches. Though personally, I find the grim knowledge that our freedoms are slowly eroding enough to keep me awake at night.
Give it up, Knuckles. I can keep moving all night. But the second you find something boring on TV, you're gonna be out like a light.
Don't be silly, Sonic. TV is never boring.
So, Sore, tell us more about your dry, dense, and complicated new book about introspection and self-betterment.
My new book, Counterproductive, is about fixing your old mistakes. Times when you made a mess of things. When you were a bad apple. Acted like a basket case. Hey, Charlie, can I borrow your baskets? It's real important. Neat! I'm all tall and stuff.
His eyes are open, but his brain's definitely asleep. Sonic wins!
Am I counterproductive?
Nope. Just someone who can't stay awake for 23 hours straight.
If you don't go back to the people you've wronged and make up for your misdeeds, then you're basically a monster. And that's science. Don't look at me! I'm a monster! A monster!
Hope this turns out better than when he thought he was a ballerina.
Don't look at me! I'm a ballerina! A ballerina!
Whew.
I'm looking for Charlie.
You mean that guy who kept dropping my apples? Fired him years ago. Last I heard, he was working at a dig site just outside the village. Probably mucking that up, too.
Thanks! And as a token of my appreciation, I will buy 1 apple. Now that those baskets are empty, you mind if I borrow some?
Careful. Careful.
Charlie! Remember me? The guy that turned those apple baskets into stilts at your old job? Oh, man, that was fun. But it turns out it wasn't fun. It was counterproductive. So I'm here to make it up to you.
Oh, wow. I totally forgot about that. Don't worry about it. My life is great now. I've got a wife, a nice house, this wonderful job digging up ancient artifacts.
Doesn't matter. I gotta make this right.
Honestly, you really don't have to.
Can it? I'm trying to be nice to you. We'll start with your lunch order.
But I brought my lunch.
Not good enough. I'm gonna get you something special. Soup's on! I got braised short rib on focaccia toast with a dollop of garlic chive aioli and just a hint of lime.
Actually, that sounds pretty good.
I thought so too. That's why I ate it on the way here. But don't worry, look what I found. Can you believe some dope just tossed this in a lake?
I really should get back to work.
Oh, let me get those for you, because I'm helpful and not counterproductive.
No, really, it's so...
Charlie, come on! It's me! The working conditions here are dangerous! I'm gonna go talk to your union rep.
Honey, you would not believe the day I had.
Oh, hi, Charlie!
Sweetheart, what is he doing here?
I invited your friend for dinner.
But, honey, we have that thing tonight?
I don't recall anything. If you're trying to imply that you don't want someone here, perhaps you should just say it!
Who are you guys talking about? I wanted to be helpful, so I picked up all those tiny flags that you carelessly left scattered around in the dirt.
Those flags were marking the locations of valuable artifacts. I'm going to have to redo all that work now.
Oh, man. You should probably put flags by those flags so no one picks them up. But don't worry, I'll fix it.
Oh, no, it's my boss, Mr. Slate.
What's the meaning of all this?
But
I'll handle this. You can't talk to Charlie like that. You're not the boss of him.
Not anymore, I'm not. You're fired!
how am I going to break this news to my wife?
Don't worry about that. I already called her.
You did what?
going to stand up for yourself?
What's her problem?
You did this! You ruined my life!
No worries, Charlie. I'm gonna make it up to you. As soon as I finish making up for that other thing I did. Whatever that was.
You're a menace! I'm not gonna let people like you cause problems for me anymore!
You'll see. They'll all see.
I can't help but feel partially responsible. In an indirect way. I'm sure he didn't really mean all the things he said.
Knuckles, the echidna, your torment begins now.
Okay, maybe he meant him a little.
Whoa! I've never seen a weapon like this before.
That's because it's from the time of the ancients.
You stole that stuff from work? Paper clips and sticky notes are one thing, but ancient weaponry? Not cool, Charlie.
Now, you will feel my true wrath.
Did you try turning it off and back on? Sometimes that fixes it.
You're not helping.
Maybe the batteries need recharging.
Hang on, I almost got it.
I'm sure this'll all blow over before you know it.
A double meh burger, please. Hey, my lunch money!
It's my lunch money now. I'll take that double Met burger.
Sir, please step aside. This line is for paying customers only.
Knuckles, this has gone on long enough. You gotta stand up to him. No, this is my own fault. I got him fired, remember? And like Soar the Eagle probably says in that book I didn't read, I can't rest until I've made it up to him.
Can you at least stop letting him take your lunch money?
Fine, Amy. I'll try to avoid letting Charlie take my lunch money. For you.
Let's see that lunch money.
Charlie, as things aren't going well between you and I've decided to enlist the help of a local police officer to act as a go-between. I think his experience in dealing with tense situations will prove valuable to both of us. Charlie's not letting up, but I can't go back to being counterproductive. So I'll take the high road and stay out of his way until he cools off. I figured it out. All Charlie really wants is a friend. Yeah, he's practically crying out to me for help. Hello, pal. I baked you this pie. Perhaps we can see a movie together and/or enjoy a frosty malted beverage.
Feel the wrath of my supervillain powers!
Great news, Knuckles. I think Charlie just let you off the hook.
Really? Because from my perspective, it didn't go so well.
No, what Tails means is that Charlie just called himself a supervillain.
Page 235 of Counterproductive. If the person you're trying to make up to turns into a supervillain, you can forget all that stuff I said about fixing your past mistakes. In that case, knock yourself out.
I know what I have to do now.
What's going on?
I think Knuckles is going to fight Charlie.
I gotta see this.
We're doing a parody of a schoolyard fight.
Charlie, I'm gonna do what you should have done a long time ago. Stand up for myself.
Bring it on, knucklehead.
Hey, name calling? Not cool.
Let's go, Charlie! Really? Nothing? Am I the only one on the side of evil here?
Let's finish this, Knuckles.
truce?
Truce.
Oh, come on! It was just starting to get good!
Great job, Knuckles. You stood up for yourself and stopped a supervillain.
Thanks, guys. Who's up for some burgers? My treat! Give me all your lunch money! Just kidding.
Great job, Charlie. You stood up for yourself and got a new job as a supervillain.
But what about the truce?
Yeah, who's gonna take it downtown? Knuckles, that's who. Gonna pour Sonic a hurt tonic, and the pain is gonna be chronic.
Okay, we get it.
Tails! Tails, you flip it. Not sure I trust this guy. Heads! Go! Lucky. Don't give me that look.
Sonic!
Oh, come on! You saw the wind blew that, right?
What? You gotta factor in bird migration. That's Gopher Ball 101.
That's totally unfair!
Maybe you need to work on your swing.
You kidding me? This has nothing to do with my swing. It has everything to do with luck. Oh.
Knuckles, I see you're upset, but...
Don't bother trying to get me to talk about my feelings.
Actually, I was gonna try to get you to stop killing my grass.
Sonic the Luck Monkey beat me in Gopher Ball by getting totally lucky.
I thought you didn't want to talk about your feelings.
I don't! I just want to yell!
We all get into a slump now and then.
I'm not in a slump.
Oh, really? How many times have you lost to Sonic this week?
I told you I don't want to talk about this!
Maybe. There's a disturbance in the luck balance of the universe.
That could happen? Stupid universe.
What you need to do is burn through the rest of this losing streak by bringing yourself as much bad luck as you can, as fast as you can, to speed up shifting the luck balance of the universe back the way it was before this all happened. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. Shift the luck balance of the universe? Really?
I am so there. I can't believe I never thought of this before. When the luck balance of the universe shifts against you, just get it all over with as quickly as possible to shift it back. It's like one of those things. When you hear it, you're like, duh, that's so obvious. Plus it plays to my strengths of taking horrible, painful, brutal punishment. Ah, I can almost feel my luck changing already!
Oh man, Knuckles. You okay?
Am I okay? Are you okay, you mean? Or are you getting too nervous about the Gopher Ball beatdown headed here? Oh, hey! Give me a minute. It's hard to trash talk with a punctured lung.
Looks to me like you're not in much condition to play anything.
You only think I'm not in much condition to... whatever you said. But in fact, I finally tipped the luck balance of the universe back in my favor. Your lucky streak is over, Sonic. Brace yourself, my friend, because there's nothing but sunny skies ahead for this...
Even with a mind as powerful as mine, it's important to keep the reflexes honed. That's why you robots will serve as my opponents in this training exercise. On your marks, get set, go! Stop! Oh, ow! Someone's stepping on my mustache!
Wait, no one's stepping on your... If I didn't know better, I'd say there was a shift in the luck balance of the universe.
Come on, meteors! Take your best shot!
We've got to do something. He's going to hurt himself.
What do you suggest we do?
You could lose to him on purpose.
What else you got? I'll talk some sense into him. Leave it to me. Nux, you're wasting your time with this luck stuff. I've been beating you lately entirely due to skill.
Luck!
Skill.
Luck!
Skill. Like the way I beat you in this argument just now.
You didn't win yet because I'm still saying the word luck. Luck!
Can we discuss this somewhere else?
Sonic and his friends always defeat me by the slimmest of margins. But with the luck balance of the universe shifted entirely in my favor, there's never been a better time to attack. So let us attack this instant with everything we've got. Bring the Mega.
Sticks, you gotta help us make Knuckles stop right away. He's gonna get hurt. Not if he shifts the luck balance of the universe in time.
And what if he doesn't?
I guess he'll probably be eaten by a carnivorous plant and slowly digested over a period of weeks or months. And we agree that's not good, right? I can think of worse, but I've got confidence in him.
Confidence in a guy who believes your crazy theory?
Did you just call my theory crazy?
So, Nux, I was kind of hoping we could get you to stop this nonsense before an asteroid pulverizes you into baby food. Any suggestions?
Admit that luck is the only reason you've been beating me all this time.
How about we have a rematch right now? Skill versus skill. Go ahead, take your shot.
Don't you feel the ground rumbling?
Nice try, Lucky. Okay, that there was a little weird. I'll give you that.
A little? Are you kidding me?
Magnificent! The invasion is going swimmingly, and me without my floaties on. Note to self, need hipper diabolical banter.
So, Eggman, what makes you think this stunt will go any better than the last dozen or so you've pulled?
The luck balance of the universe, that's what!
What? You believe that stuff too?
Sorry I'm late. What can I do to...
I'm unscathed from a little schwitzy, but no matter. It's also laundry day. Today is my lucky day.
You guys okay? Wow, that was nuts. I can't believe that.
We had him cornered. What are you doing here?
Helping?
You're not helping. You're just bad luck. I have an idea. Since you and your bad luck just hurt our side, why don't you just join Eggman and make it official?
Fine. If that's how you're gonna be about it, I'm gonna work with someone who appreciates me.
Knuckles, come back!
Hold up. Let's let this play out.
Attention, village. Your panicked screaming and fear-addled hysteria have so charmed and delighted me these past few moments that I wish to extend my appreciation by debuting for you my most extravagant ode to destruction yet. Behold, the Mega! I call him that because he's 7% bigger than my other robots.
Eggman, I'm through with Sonic. I'm joining your side.
Ah, a defector has come to join the winning team. More good luck.
Pretty cool robot. New?
Yeah, nice, right? Safe to say my best ever. though it's basically a prototype. Never really tested it in the field before, but the designs looked really sound. So I figured with this string of good luck I've been having... But hey, now it's tested and I don't have to clean up the mess. Good luck with that, suckers!
Wow, my bad luck follows me wherever I go.
Or is it good luck? After all, our side won.
But I was on the other side.
No, you weren't. I sent you on a secret mission for us.
It was so secret, even I didn't know about it.
Yeah, you see, you switched sides, and your bad luck overpowered Eggman's good luck, but you were really on our side, so by losing, you won.
Wow. Yeah. You know what I've been wondering, though?
Where crazy luck theories come from?
When the bad luck leaves me, where does it go?
There's a perfectly good explanation for this.
Building takes teamwork, and a team needs a coach, and that's me. Sonic, hold that support strut horizontal.
Since I'm the judge of this year's chili dog cook-off, I don't think I should help. I have to stay impartial.
No stage, no contest. No contest, no chili dogs to judge.
Tails, Knuckles, get to it.
I don't have time for this. I need Tails to prep the collar planks, and Knuckles to get the joist hangers, and Sticks to get more sticks. Ta-da!
Thanks for keeping Amy busy so we could finish.
Anything for a free chili dog.
What's that?
Don't! That's a load-bearing banana!
Who builds with a banana?
Only a total dum-dum. Bananas give me splinters in my gums.
That's it. I'll build this stage myself. Ah. And that, my friends, is a stage. Guys?
If you win, I'll wear the trophy upside down on my head like a hat for a year.
No way. My trophy, my hat.
No, Knuckles, I think he's trying to... just wear the hat.
Eat 'em and weep, losers! I'm winning this year's cook-off with my super secret chili recipe.
Ketchup, wasabi, and chunks of expired pigeon meat.
Lucky guess.
I finished the stage. Praise me.
Thanks, Amy.
Nice job.
Thanks.
Can it be used as a flotation device in the event of a water landing? We'll see who's steering when that thing lands in the ocean!
We don't need a judging stage. I've got the contest in the bag.
I thought you said it was in the bag.
Yeah, who am the smart one now? That's a rhetorical question, by the way. The answer is, of course, me am. My secret weapon, a one-of-a-kind pepper.
One-of-a-kind peppers. Get your one-of-a-kind peppers. Ahem.
You told us these were one-of-a-kind peppers.
I never said they were one-of-a-kind peppers.
Here's another crate of those peppers you're selling as one of a kind. Don't even worry about it. I got another 20 crates on the truck.
Well, that was poorly timed. I suppose you want a refund. I'll just get your money. I keep it in a place called Tough Luck, Losers! Can one of you dears help a poor little old lady?
No!
I deserve that.
If I'm gonna win that hat, I gotta go find a unique pepper. I have found the pepper of peppers. Hot with an indescribable flavor. You might as well stop stirring now.
Not so fast! Behold, the Face Peeler Maximus! Witness now... Line.
If you dare.
Witness now, if you dare, the Chili Maker 5000!
Copyright Eggman Industries, patent pending, all rights reserved. Some restrictions apply.
This little beauty extracts the very essence of the chili pepper, creating a chili dog of unprecedented potency.
If you want to win this thing, you need the lost pepper of Claggerhorn.
Well, hand it over.
What part of lost didn't you get? Luckily, I've got this one-of-a-kind map.
Woohoo!
Where do you want this crate of one-of-a-kind maps?
Put them with the others.
Almost there. Awesome! I gotta do that again! The staircase of terrifying slipperiness. The field of baby ducks. Hey, little fella. Oh, gosh, you're cute. Well, look at you. Look at you. Hi, look at you. Hey, little fella. Well, look at you. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me 87 times, shame on me.
Congratulations! You have successfully traversed the lands of the doomed! So sit back in your very own recliner of the doomed.
Hey, little... What is this? Let me go!
What is it that you seek?
I seek the lost pepper of Claggerhorn.
Why do you seek it?
To roast over an open flame, tear the seeds from its insides, chop it into tiny pieces, scald it in boiling oil, and use it to flavor my chili for a chance to win a very small trophy.
I am the lost pepper of Claggerhorn.
Let me finish. It's the opposite of what I would do.
Nice recovery, laddie.
Dude, what's with your head bite?
'Tis a scar I wear proudly to remind me of the home we lost.
What's happening?
It's just it is old, son. Claggerhorn was a paradise. Lush green meadows, majestic mountains, and the hot springs, laddie. It was prophesied that a big doom oaf would come one day to lead us back to our beloved hot springs.
What were they like?
They were hot.
Didn't see that coming.
We have found our oaf!
Oaf! Oaf! Oaf! Oaf!
The time has come, me pepper people. We must reclaim our land for our children and our children's children. Are you with me?
Yes! Oh, sorry.
Oaf! 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 Oaf!
There's something you don't see every day.
I mean, never surrender.
It can be used as a flotation device.
Ow! Orbot! Gilbert, deal with these pests!
You got it, boss!
Ow!
Knuckles, what are you doing?
Helping these pepper people reclaim what is rightfully theirs!
By attacking your friends?
You're gonna have to choose, laddie, between old friends and new. For Claggerhorn!
Lost pepper! You okay?
It is like 1,000 tiny bubbles
urging me to let go, like the hot springs of old, but with expired pigeon meat.
Does everyone know my secret ingredient?
This is perfect. The pepper people get to take a good hot soak, and in turn, they flavor our chili. It's a win-win.
So, what is it you do with this chili anyway? Pour it on your enemies from the turrets of your castles to scald them into submission?
Are you kidding? We put it on hot dogs and we eat you. I mean it.
But all that is chunky in my grandfather's beard, you want to eat our essence? Truce over! Attack! 'Tis like the world's finest haggis, but without the wretched taste of minced lungs.
I don't need to taste the others. We have a winner!
Sometimes it just takes a little teamwork to really...
Hey, there he is! Knuckles!
What happened? Are you okay?
When's the cook-off?
Actually, the cook-off was yesterday. We've been looking for you ever since then.
I ate this pepper. It was a tiny bite, but it gave me this crazy dream. Or maybe it was a dream.
A pepper that strong? Come on, Knuckles.
I guess you're right. That's impossible.